What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is "Police Knew Instantly She Was Hiding Something." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
Did she honestly think she could hide something in her pockets and the police wouldn't notice?
You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. Oh, they live in a junkyard? Cool. Look at that sweet CRV.
A separate unit upstairs. I think I've been here.
Back door?
I think it's back
Yeah, he's right here. Somebody's yelling in there.
Are they?
I don't know if they're yelling, hold on, or...
Okay.
There was a guy staying up there. That's what I was gonna say. There's like a janky-ass garage with a man door.
What's up?
What's up?
Jessica in there?
Who?
Jessica?
The only people that I know is here is all dudes, so.
That's a yes. That's a yes. Stop fucking lying. Is Jessica here? Yeah. The only guy that I know. Come on. If she wasn't here, you'd have just been like, nah, she ain't here. She just left a couple months, whatever. But you coming up with some bullshit, man. Come on.
No Jessica.
There's no females in here?
Well,
No
somebody
females.
called and said she's here.
Well, I'll tell you what, I've been here for, this is my nephew's house. I've been here for, I don't know, 3 hours. There's no female here that I've seen.
Is your nephew here?
My nephew?
Yeah, who owns
Absolutely
the
is here, Mikey.
Can we talk to him?
I mean, I asked him, he's kind of slow.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
that's why I came out to speak to you.
If we could ask him, that'd be great.
I mean, I'll go ask you for
Yeah.
you, but he's scared, y'all. He's slow, mentally challenged.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Sweet. Thanks.
But yeah, I don't know. No Jessica.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
But I'll find out for you.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Come here, Mikey. I'm gonna ask. I've been here since probably about 7.
What's your first name?
What's my first name? Listen, I'm on parole. You hear me? I'd
Okay.
rather not have no police contact, but my nephew's mentally challenged.
Okay.
I'm not wanted or nothing, but I'm not out of police contact, but I call him PO, but yeah, I'm Billy Kennedy. I got my ID somewhere on me.
You're Billy?
I'm Billy. I'm Bobby's ass twin. Yeah, but this is my nephew's house.
Okay. Is he gonna come to the door so we can talk to him?
I mean, probably not. Scared to death, you know what I mean?
Okay.
He's slow, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to downgrade him or anything.
Okay.
Yeah. You look like that dude on Chips.
I don't try to, Billy.
What's her name? Jessica something?
Hey, listen, I've been over here for the last 2 days. Off and on.
Yeah.
Off and on for the last 2 days.
I got a question for you.
Yes.
I need a buccal swab from you.
A what?
A spit swab from you.
For what?
For an investigation.
For an
The
investigation?
Detectives, yeah, need a spit swab from you.
What investigation?
One that they're doing.
I mean, why come ain't nobody contacting me?
I'm asking you right now, is what I'm saying. You're hard to find.
Not hard to find. I got an address.
Is this
I'm
it?
on parole.
Is this your address?
No, it's not my address.
Exactly.
Right.
So you're not at your address.
Have you went to my address looking for me?
Have I? No. Personally,
Has
no.
anybody?
I don't know.
Where do you live?
Absolutely not.
Billy, what's your address?
My address is 17. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Uniontown?
Yeah. So, I mean, ain't nobody come.
Man, come on. Yeah, he trying to be the spokesperson for the family, whoever's hiding inside or whatever. He gonna get himself jammed up.
See me to do anything? I'm on parole. I have a parole officer.
Okay.
I haven't done nothing. I know what you're talking about. I ain't done nothing.
Okay. Well, you gotta
Absolutely have not.
You gotta talk to the detective.
I'll talk to
So-
whoever. I mean, plus we want to talk about how come they ain't come.
You got a number? I can have them call you?
Absolutely, you send a text, but I don't carry a phone, man. My parole officer knows that.
You don't have a phone?
I have a text dial number you can text to, and I'll look at it and see.
What detective?
I don't know.
Anthony, James Anthony wants him.
Yeah, I don't know nothing. I ain't ducking nothing.
Who's that? Come
I
back.
ain't done nothing. Hands down, buddy. You hear me? Look at me.
I hear. I don't know what it's reference.
Right.
But let me.
Somebody put somebody up the door on something.
Let me talk.
That's what it is.
Let me get.
Whoever the detective was, I thought he was smart enough to catch the lie like I did.
Let me get
Susan
it.
said
Let
it.
me get a hold of the
You know,
detective.
it was a lie. They tried to set me up, man.
And
I talk, you like I'm talking loud now? That's how I am.
I don't
Billy,
care.
whose Hyundai is that?
I have no idea, bro. Listen, I've been out 6 months. You hear me? I've been staying in my house.
Can I talk to your nephew, please?
Listen, man, I told you that's why I came out here. All right? I mean, I'm not here lying to you or
Let
nothing.
me get a hold of the detective real quick.
He's kind of mentally,
Yeah, but
You know what I mean?
I understand that. We want to ask him a couple questions.
I just told you I've been over here for 2 days.
Okay.
I'm not here to lie to you.
I appreciate that.
I have not ran into anybody over this house named Jessica or anything like that.
There's
You know?
no females in here.
The only female that I've seen here
Uh-huh.
was my niece.
And what's
That's
her name?
it.
And what's her name?
You're Anna. That's it.
Anna. How old
Doesn't
Anna?
matter. I don't know, but that's irrelevant.
Can I talk
There's
to
nobody-
Anna? Is Anna
Anna's
here?
not here now.
Okay, she's not here now.
No. I told you yesterday I ran into her.
Hi.
You know? I have no...
Oh man, come on, dog. You doing all that lying and covering up, and guess who come walking out? A female. I could tell he was lying from the jump.
Yeah, I don't even know who this girl. I never seen her
What's-
before in my
what's your
life.
name, ma'am?
I have no idea.
Jessica, you got a warrant, okay? Turn
I don't
around.
know this.
I have my thing on though.
Well, you've got a couple active warrants.
Wait, no, why?
Here, because you have warrants, please drop that cigarette, okay? Please
Drop
drop
the
the cigarette.
cigarette.
Please drop the
What?
cigarette.
Drop it.
Please drop the cigarette.
Okay.
I'll tell you, give me more information, okay?
I'm
Just
sorry.
Put your palms together like you're praying. Who else is in the house, Jessica?
Officer, can you tell me why?
you have a warrant? I
I
don't know
thought
why
you
you
were
have a
serving me with my indictment for my.
No.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I thought you were serving me with my indictment for my.
You've got a
No.
couple
You
active
gotta
warrants out of some account.
cut.
For
One of
what?
them's an
Something that
intimidation of a
happened
witness.
this morning, maybe,
I haven't even been up.
or yesterday.
I haven't even been awake.
I don't know.
I've been sick.
Jessica, do you have anything illegal on here? Drugs, weapons, anything like that? They're gonna find your
No.
county.
Hey, will you come down to the station, talk to the detective,
What's his name?
Detective Anthony?
That's with the police stations go in there. What floor?
We can take you down there.
I don't know. No, I'm not taking me in a police car, bro. I'll get that. Do I need to bring a lawyer?
What time are you going to be back at the station? He says he's going to go down there right now. If you want to go meet him down there right now.
What time is it?
I think it's like 11:30 right now.
What shift does he work?
He's working right now. He's just trying to go to lunch.
I'm trying to go to lunch because I'm
he's
not
saying he's going to
driving.
come
I'm
back
not
from lunch to come talk to you.
You come and talk to me. Well, I'm going to go walk somewhere and get me some lunch. Tell him to meet me there. How about
Mr.
that?
Kennedy is quite a character here, so.
Yeah, that's why in prison made me that way. I'm high strung. I need medication,
He
don't I?
already
You
told
agree
me I
with
look
me?
like the guy from Chips, so you know he's
Yeah, I'm high strung. Fucking need medication. I keep going down there. They turn me away, man. Maybe y'all can help me.
Yeah.
I might have a lighter.
You should
That's
know
what
if you
I'm
have
saying.
something in your pocket, okay?
No, I know I don't have anything illegal. I'm saying.
Okay, that's what he's asking.
Like, in my pocket.
What pocket might there be something?
You know the cops is outside waiting to talk to you. Why would you have something in your pocket that you're not supposed to have? What sense does that make? God, people be brain dead. I'm telling you, boy.
Pocket.
Is there any needles? Is
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Anything in this pocket?
No.
What pocket are
I'm saying
you curious about?
No, I'm just saying I might have like a lighter or something. Yes, if I had anything
Oh,
in
gotcha.
my pockets.
Anything in this pocket?
Can I talk to?
Jessica, what is this?
Oh, that's definitely not mine. Oh my God, bro, that's not mine.
Okay.
Well, who's it? Is it Billy's?
All right, check
Because
it
he
out.
didn't know you were
Oh
here.
my god.
This is what I'm talking about. You
Right,
knew.
remain silent.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights I've read to you. I'm sure it's not the first time this has been read to you, correct?
No, this is the second time. I've never even
All
been
right,
in
have
trouble
these rights in
prior
mind.
to
Can you
this.
talk to me and tell me what this is so I don't have to open it and possibly expose myself to fentanyl? And
Oh no, it's methamphetamine.
it's meth. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank
It's
you.
not mine.
All right, perfect. So we're gonna have a seat in my cruiser. We're gonna send these hits.
Can I hit my cigarette?
Yeah. You know what? You were cool with me. I'm gonna give you your cigarette, okay?
I don't understand what I'm being arrested for.
So one of the warrants popped up as intimidation of a witness. I have absolutely no idea how that got there, but it's one of your warrants.
Can I have my cigarette lit?
Where is your lighter?
Probably in the house.
Okay. Second question I have: whose Hyundai is that?
I have no idea.
You don't. That's not your Hyundai. You didn't drive it here.
Hell no.
Okay. Do you know how long that's been here?
Billy, do you have a lighter?
There's got to be one of these cruisers. I'm sure there is.
I know that they have one too, and that's my jacket. But
Yeah. No, I got you. Anything in the jacket we need to be worried about?
no, I mean I'm good without it. As long as if I'm going in the car, right?
Yeah.
I'd rather not take it.
Okay.
I was f***ing done. Damn it! I knew I was walking and I grabbed it. I grabbed it on the way down here to sitting on the floor.
What the?
Yeah, but it's fine. I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll take fucking charges. I don't even do anything anymore, man. I used to.
The slider doesn't work.
Well, let's go down here to this cruiser and I'll see if I got another lighter down there. Okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that I guess the charge of me was what? I have active
Well, you
warrants
have a
for-
warrant and you have the meth. Do you have anything else illegal on you? They're gonna
No.
find in jail and scan it.
No. But the active warrant is for intimidation or something. I don't even know what it is. I know, honey. I just want to tell you, I didn't know. This is not legit. I did not do shit. You know, I've been going to my appointments, everything. So I just want you to know, like, I didn't know about this shit.
I think you're a liar. It is what it is.
He's scared now.
I don't know. I think
He said, I think you're a liar.
They know damn well I didn't know. He's got mental issues, and a lot of them have been telling him, I don't even want to be here, okay? He thinks I want to be in this area.
I understand.
I'm here because I have nowhere else to go. I rented a room. I literally rented a room.
Jessica, I need you to spit that out, okay?
Take a couple hits.
Yep. Take what you need, and then it's gonna have to go out because we're not allowed to have people smoke in our back of our cruisers.
So, what is my other thing you said?
Well, you got a couple warrants, and then you got the meth. We're gonna send hits on the warrants. I think they're out of Summit County. If they don't want you, I'll give you a summons for the meth. If they want you, you have to go, and we have no
So I
discretion.
could possibly get out?
If Summit County does not want you,
Okay.
you may not go, but we
You
got sent
won't-
out here.
you
We'll
won't
see.
know.
Hey, I'm gonna. We got to send the hit, and then it's like 20 minutes to wait, and then I'll let you know what I know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been honest with you.
Yeah, but they're gonna want you. They're gonna want you. If they didn't want you, then they wouldn't send the cops to go look for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. They would just have the warrant out there, and let's say they pulled you over for a ticket or something like that, and they just happened to come across you, then yeah, they would take you. But the fact that they sent them over there, yeah, they gonna want you. Facts. But I'm still baffled at the fact that she knew the cops were outside. And she decided to go out there with that stuff in her pocket. Man, if you're gonna, you know that they there. It's not like they surprise, you know. You took your time to get dressed and get ready or whatever. You know they outside waiting on you. And you have stuff like that in your pocket. That's insane to me. I ain't gonna lie. That's insane.
It's the beginning.
Honestly, I couldn't remember if that was in my pocket or not, because when I walked down, honestly, you guys scared the shit out of me.
Jessica,
I just grabbed it.
it's a
That's
minor
all, so
drug
I'm
charge
sorry.
in Summit County. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, I know.
It's paperwork
I
at this
know.
point,
I
okay?
just-
But we got to do
just
what we
let
got to
you
do,
know.
okay?
Yeah, I'm just being
All right.
honest with you.
I'll be honest with you.
I used to do drugs. I don't do them anymore, you know.
Fair enough. Watch yourself.
I'm proud of that. That's why I'm
Good.
like,
That
damn,
is good.
man.
To be completely honest with you, that's something you're going to take up with the prosecutor and your attorney. I have no idea what your case is. I can't do anything about that. All I know is they signed a warrant. I'm just the guy that comes and picks you up. That's it. You have everything you have will be admissible in the court. Just talk to your public defender, your attorney, or whatever, what have you, okay?
Warrants were already confirmed. They're good.
County wants her.
But I said that she kindly turned herself in with meth, and she'll be going on that. I assume. Well, I guess I assume.
I mean, how are you gonna answer the door with meth in her mouth?
Bro, I wouldn't have recognized her.
No, she looks way different.
From her
That's why
photo?
I had to look at her, or ask her name. Anyone else going, or is she it?
I'm just telling this stolen.
Okay. All right, well, I'll get 30 wagon involved. One, and then just one stolen vehicle.
Don might be.
Well, I ran that van, which belongs here, and this one's okay. The plate from this one was on the stolen.
I talked to him. Oh, he's gonna go in tomorrow at 8:30. No, he's not here.
Cool.
I've never seen any of you guys here before.
Yeah, they want you.
87.
The other officer already confirmed it.
Right.
They want you for your arrest, dear. I mean, I can't do anything about that. That's something you're gonna have to take care of in court.
The woman was arrested and charged with outstanding warrants and possession of a controlled substance. If she is convicted,
Who does that? She went to the door with that in her pocket. That's the biggest thing, like, in this whole video. Like, to me personally, man. I think the cops did a good job. I mean, they did the best that they could. You know. But so I'm gonna give them a 3. All right, I'm gonna give them a 3. And how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.